Are synthetic indices affected by news? Are synthetic indices affected by news? Let's talk about it in this quick and short video. So the short answer is no. Synthetic indices are not affected by news. By the way, we love trading synthetic indices here. If you want to also join us in making this money, look at my balance is $110 and it's floating around $1.2 thousand at the moment as I'm trading these synthetic indices. If you also want to join us, the links to join us are in the description as well as in the comments section below. You can also scan the QR code on your screen right now if you are wanting to join us in trading these synthetic indices. So they are not affected by news because the brokers that offer synthetic indices, the name says synthetic, which means they are not affected by real world events. So news and all other real world events don't affect synthetic indices because they're determined, the movement is determined by the brokers' algorithms. Does it mean you cannot trade them? Yes, you can, as you can see on the screen right now. So scan the QR code on the screen, click on the links in the description box, in the comment section, and join us in making money with these synthetic indices.